How to change formations on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create Login and Delete. So let's start the video. First of all, let's open the Fantasy Premier League and log into your account. From there, tap on Fantasy tab and from here, go to the option of Pick Team. And before changing the formation, make sure that what kind of formation that you want to use on your team. As you can see, the default formation is 4-4-2. So if you want to go with 3-5-2 formation with 5 midfielders, the only thing that you got to do is to add one midfielder. Click on substitute it with one of the defender. And here you can see the formation has been changed. Now I am playing with 3 defenders, 5 midfielders and 2 forwards. But if you want to change the formation to 4-3-3, make sure that you've got one forward on your bench. Tap on the forward, click on substitute it with one of the midfielders. The formation is 3-4-3. We are yet to add another defender, so just tap on one defender from the bench, click on substitute, and from here substitute him with one of the midfielder. Now you can see I have got 4-3-3 formation. So in this way you can change formations on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.